If you clicked on this video, make sure you stay to the end because I'll be giving you a beginner's guide on how you can invest in real estate in 2025. If you are new here, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I teach all things real estate. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can stay up to date with the latest real estate tips, resources, and real estate investing strategies that actually work. If you've been dreaming about getting into real estate investing but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly how you're going to start investing in real estate in 2025, even if you have no experience. So I feel like 2025 is the perfect year to invest in real estate. Number one is because of market trends. With shifts in the economy, more people are renting and creating more opportunities for landlords. Number two, investing is easier than ever thanks to apps, virtual property tours, and AI tools. Number three is creative financing options like seller financing, house hacking, meaning you don't need a ton of money up front. Plus, real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. All right, so let's talk about how to actually get started. You want to make sure that you are educating yourself. Continue watching videos like this and make sure that you're reading real estate investing books. You can even join real estate mentorship programs for extra guidance. I have my own mentorship program that I offer for new investors, and I will drop the link in the description below. But in my mentorship community, the Pretty Big Deal, I teach new investors the basic and fundamentals of getting started with little to no money. Also in my mentorship community, you get access to all of my ebooks and you get to book one-on-one mentee calls with me. Step two is to set goals. What do you want to do? Do you want to flip houses? Do you want to own rental properties? Or do you want to invest in land? Define what success looks like for you in 2025. Step three is to check your finances. Review your credit score, your savings, explore different financial options. Remember, you don't always need a lot of money to invest in real estate. For example, different financial options could be a USDA loan, first-time home buyer grants, conventional loans, hard money loans, private lenders, partnerships, creative financing. There are so many different ways you can go about investing in real estate. That's why it's so important to review your own financial standpoint so you can decipher where you need to start. Next, let's pick an investment strategy that works best for you. I want to start with wholesaling because wholesaling is how I got started in real estate. So with wholesaling, you do not need a ton of money up front. You just have to have the knowledge to know how to put these deals together. And I talk about wholesaling a lot on my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and go back, binge watch, and watch all of my wholesaling videos. I give away a lot of free games. So essentially what you're doing is you're finding a homeowner who is in some type of distress, you're putting them under contract, and then you're selling that contract to an end buyer for a fee. So the thing about this is you don't actually own the property. You are selling this contract to an end buyer for a fee. And a lot of people have become rich from wholesaling. However, if you do want to keep the property, you can structure a creative financing deal with the homeowner, or if you have enough capital or resources, you can acquire that property for yourself. Next is tax sale auctions. You can buy these properties for a fraction of their market value when owners fail to pay their property taxes. You can find these tax sale auctions by going to Google and typing in the desired county's tax sale auction, or you can go to that county's tax assessor's website and it should have a list of upcoming properties that will be held at the tax sale auction. You can also purchase tax liens. So instead of buying the property, you are purchasing the unpaid property tax debt. The homeowner can pay you back with interest, or if they don't, you could end up owning the property. Now let's talk about over-the-counter properties. These properties did not sell at the tax sale auction, but they can still be up and available for purchase over the counter. Next is land banks. Land banks sell properties and lots at low prices to investors who want to revitalize the community. You can buy properties at land banks for as low as $1,000. I created a list of 240 websites with land banks who are selling these cheap properties, and I will drop the list in the description below. These strategies are great for new investors who want to invest in real estate but do not have a lot of money to get started. So how do you find your first deal? I need you to build your network, okay? and get really active on social media and online. You can start by joining these real estate investing Facebook groups in your state or in the states that you plan on investing in, and also joining local real estate meetup groups or real estate investing events as well. If you plan on wholesaling, marketing is going to play a big part in getting your first wholesale deal. However, if you want to use the other creative strategies such as buying at a tax sale auction or purchasing tax liens, here are some mistakes to avoid. Please do not skip the due diligence process. Always inspect the properties and run the numbers before making a deal. I'm the type of person, I don't overpay for anything. I mean anything at all. So please don't overpay for your properties as well. Stick to your budget and avoid getting emotionally attached. Before you do anything, know your exit plan. What is the plan? Knowing how you will make money or how you will get out of the deal if things don't go as planned. And here are two of my favorite websites right now when buying cheap properties, especially tax deed properties and properties that are at the tax sale auction. It is Tax Sale Resource and Parcel Dream. Remember, the key is to educate yourself, set realistic goals, and to take action. And if this video provided value, hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can get the latest real estate tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. Until next time, see you in my next video.